These videos are going viral. They're pulling in millions of views, and I'm going to show you exactly how to make them. First, open ChatGPT and go to Explore GPTs. Search for Car Evolution and click on the GPT model. Hit Start Chat. You'll see two options. The first is Highway Scene Prompts. This gives you text-to-image prompts for empty highway images. The second is to create text-image prompts for cars. Click on Highway Scene first because we need an empty highway. The GPT asks what location you want. In this case, we'll choose a desert. Then the GPT gives you 5 text-to-image prompts to create images. Copy one of them and head to OpenArt. In OpenArt, go to the Image tab and click Create Image. Select the model Nano Banana Pro and paste your prompt. Choose aspect ratio 9:16 and resolution 2K. Then select how many images you want. You'll get images like these, empty road images in a desert. Now download one of those images and upload it as an Omni reference. Go back to ChatGPT and type in Car Evolution prompts. The GPT model switches to car text to image prompts. It asks which car you want to create an evolution for. We're doing the BMW 3 series. The GPT model then gives you text-to-image prompts with an evolution timeline and a video prompt at the end. Here's what you do next. Copy the first model, Model 1. Paste this text-to-image prompt into OpenArt and click Create. You'll see Nano Banana Pro places the car in the image. Do this with all the text-to-image prompts the GPT gives you, all the car models. Once you've done that, go to the Image to Video tab. Select the VO3 model. Upload the first image you created, Model 1. Then upload the end frame, that's Model 2. Go back to the GPT model and copy the video prompt it created. Paste it in. Don't forget to set aspect ratio 9:16. Then click Create. And just like that, you get videos like these. Repeat this process for each step in the evolution timeline. Each video shows one model transforming into the next. When you string them together, you get that viral car evolution effect. You'll find all the links and tools I used in this video in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.